Today is September 22nd, 1939, day 22 of World War II. This day saw the continuation of the relentless German siege on Warsaw. With the city under constant bombardment, its defenders faced ever-mounting pressure. Meanwhile, in the east, the Soviet Union advanced its occupation of Poland, creating a grim new reality for its people. In a significant development on this day, the city of Lwów capitulated to the Soviet Red Army. This city of cultural and strategic importance had initially been under siege by German forces but was handed over to the Soviets under the terms of the Molotov-Ribbentrop Pact. For the city's residents, the shift from one occupying force to another brought uncertainty and fear. This day also marked a symbolic meeting between German and Soviet forces. At the city of Brest-Litovsk, officers from both armies held a joint parade, celebrating their cooperation in the partitioning of Poland. This chilling display of camaraderie underscored the grim reality of the pact that had divided Poland between these two totalitarian regimes. Meanwhile, the humanitarian crisis deepened. Thousands of Polish refugees, desperate to escape the advancing forces, poured toward neighboring countries such as Romania and Hungary. For many, these treacherous journeys were the only hope for survival. September 22, 1939, brought further suffering and despair to Poland. The surrender of Lwów, the joint German-Soviet parade, and the continued siege of Warsaw highlighted the devastating consequences of the Nazi-Soviet alliance. The fate of the Polish people hung in the balance, as their nation's sovereignty was crushed under the weight of two invading powers. Thank you for watching. Please support us using our website link in the description. It is your support that finances this show. See you tomorrow with the next episode.